Good morning, everyone. Today, like to start a new chapter, vectors. Vector is not at all new for you. You already have studied vector in class 11 in physics. But here we have to take up in mathematics also in class 12. So I think you are familiar with most of the terms, yet explaining something to begin the unit. Like what is scalar? When the term vector come, side by side the term scalar also come. So what is a scalar? A quantity that has magnitude only is called a scalar. For example, mass, length, time, temperature, density, speed, etc. And vector quantity, a quantity that has magnitude as well as direction, is called vector quantity. Its example are force, velocity, acceleration, momentum, etc. These are the important quantity for vector. However, a vector is defined as a directed line segment. A directed line segment is called vector. For example, let a vector start a directed line segment with initial point A, and terminal point B is denoted by vector AB. Here is arrow is put here. This is called vector A, and therefore its magnitude is denoted by modulus vector AB. If vector AB is given by vector A, then its modulus vector AB is given by mod vector A, and it is simply written as A only. Now, one important term is vector, unit vector. A vector A is called unit vector if its magnitude is 1. If its magnitude is 1, and it is denoted by a cap. This is called cap. This cap is the sign for unit vector. And there are some more important terms in vector which we have to face time to time, like equal vector, negative of a vector, zero vector, like vectors, unlike vectors. All these quantities are, you are clear with its name only, its title. And like vector means a vector whose magnitude and directions are same. Unlike vector means two vectors having opposite in direction. Two vectors in opposite direction. Similarly, equal vector, two vectors having same direction and same magnitude. Negative of a vector whose directions are opposite but they are equal in magnitude. Zero vector means a vector whose magnitude is 0. Like vector, two vectors having same direction is called like vector. Unlike vector, two vectors in opposite directions are called unlike vector, etc. Now, this is the important, very important term, position vector of a point. This is very important term. Let O be the origin. O be the origin. O be the origin, and let A be a point such that vector OA is given by vector A. Then this small vector A is called the position vector of A. See in the figure, let O be the origin and A be any point on the plane. Then vector OA is given by vector A only, and position vector of A is said to be vector A.